Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day or night whenever you are watching this. So today I'm going to share a recipe for a bread, Italian bread to be exact. Now this bread is very easy to make, and it's so easy it's going to blow your mind. The recipe is very simple. The bread is called Focaccia, unless I'm butchering the name and pronouncing it wrong. So let's get started. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of warm water. Make sure it's not too hot. And to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of yeast. To that, add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar or honey. It's entirely up to you. And then we have 4 cups of flour. You can use bread flour or regular all-purpose flour. And add 2 teaspoons of salt to the flour and mix it. Now we're going to add the flour and make a batter. It's going to be a very wet and sticky batter, so don't expect it to be hard, and there is no need to add extra flour to make it harder. So just mix it with a spoon or a spatula, and this is what the final look should be. It's going to be very sticky. It's going to look like a sticky mess basically. So just and add mix about it well. 2 tablespoons of olive oil on top, and we're going to cover it and leave it in the fridge overnight to rise. So the next morning, this is what it looks like, and it's gonna be nice and jiggly. So now we're gonna transfer it to a baking pan and let it rise for a couple of more hours. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of your pan. Spread it around. And now transfer your dough in here. Now spread it out a little bit. And cover, let it rise for a couple of hours. It's been about 3 hours, and as you can see, it has risen quite well. And I'm just going to add a little bit more olive oil to the top. Now comes the fun part. So this dimpling process. Now you can top it with just about anything you like, but I'm going to use some peppers. And also sprinkle a little bit of chili flakes on top. Now preheat your oven to 425 and bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. And this is the final result. So it is so good and so delicious. I mean, it does not last in my household more than a day. As soon as it comes out of the oven, it's literally gone within a day. So make sure you let it cool down slightly before you cut into it, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again with another recipe.